Reverse frog hypers. This exercise targets the gluteus maximus and erector spinae. Lie face down on a bench, chest and lower abdomen on the bench, and legs off the bench. Bring the feet together and abduct the knees frog-like. Then raise the legs, extend the hip, and lower them back down. The gluteus maximus extends the hip joint. The leg position creates an external rotation of the hip, which recruits the gluteus maximus muscle more. The main stabilizers are the spinal erectors and latissimus dorsi. The lumbar erectors may also contract a little dynamically depending on the pelvic movement. The more the pelvis moves between APT, anterior pelvic tilt, and PPT, posterior pelvic tilt, the more active they will be. The elbow flexors stabilize the elbow. Common mistake: overextension of the lumbar spine while raising the legs, usually because of uncontrolled momentum. To prevent the extension, instruct the trainee to slightly contract the abdominal muscles while lifting the legs.